They're going down just a little too easy, if you know what I mean. I don't know if you've noticed, but it's hot as hell outside. So let's make frozen cocktails, the Blue Hawaiian. Oh, make two, because your wife's going to steal the other one. All right, guys, the first step to making the Blue Hawaiian is go ahead and grab yourself a blender. We happen to have one of these nice blenders with a single serving cup. But, you know, if you have to use the full-size blender and make a bunch more Blue Hawaiian, ain't no one going to say nothing about it. 4 ounces of pineapple juice. Next, you're going to need 2 ounces of Rasta Bob Coconut Rum. Now, this stuff is available at cwspirits.com. Promo code CAFEAMORA. Save yourself some money, 5% off, and it helps the channel. And quite honestly, I can't find this anywhere else. I have some really big liquor stores in my area. They don't carry it. So I get Rasta Bob from CW Spirits, and I use my own promo code because, you know, I'm boozing on a budget. 2 ounces. The perfect pour. Blue Curaçao, 2 ounces. And now for those of you that follow the channel, you know that I love coconut cream. This stuff is fan-freaking-tastic. 2 ounces. You're going to want to use a spatula to get all of it. It is that good, guys. You don't want to leave a drop behind. Now get 2 of your favorite cocktail glasses. If you have a hurricane glass, this is an ideal use for it. But I don't have a hurricane glass because I'm a boozer on a budget. Look at that. That's freaking gorgeous. Look at that. Oh yeah. All right, guys, so that's how you make the Blue Hawaiian. Let's give it the old college try. But before I do, you know what to do! Slap that follow button for me. Now, I made 2 because Mrs. Zamora's going to steal one, but she can't steal it if I offer it to her.
You better.
There you go, Mrs. Zamora. That one's for you. Let's give it the old try right now. Here we go. God damn, that's good.